Hello student. Once again welcome back.
Standard 4th. Subject EVS 1 Geography. Lesson number 20. I will be responsible and sensitive.
Happy birthday. It was Deepika's birthday student. She had invited all her friends to her house. When her friends came, she put on music at a loud volume and all of them began to dance and have fun. Her neighbor was an elder person. He suffered from high blood pressure. He could not tolerate very loud music. He asked Deepika to turn down the volume. Deepika realized that he was suffering because of the loud music. She turned down the music at once. Rahul's grandmother used to wait for him to return from school every day. When he returned, she would give him something to eat. She asked him about what had happened in the school that day. As for Rahul, he could not wait to finish eating and watch cartoons on TV. When Rahul's parents noticed this, they also felt bad about it. One day Rahul's father explained to him how his behavior hurts his grandmother. Rahul realized his mistake. From then onwards, he began to talk to his grandmother lovingly. Manju, how many people were there in your family? Total 4 members are there in my family. My father, mother, brother and myself. Did the number of people in your family change every time? How did the change occur? Tell me. I had a grandmother but she passed away last year. So each family may have a different number of people. This number does not remain the same. Which is one reason for such a loss or gain. You may have seen an aunt or cousin wife joining your family after getting married. The number of people in family also changes due to the birth and deaths. A family grows when the new generation is born. When member of family pass away due to the reason like old age, accident or illness, the number of its member is reduced. Okay, the member is reduced. Sometimes children in a family go to other place for their education. Also, some members take up jobs or occupation in other place. Moving from one place to another in order to live, that is called migration. Thus, due to migration, marriage, births and death, the number of people in family goes on changing. It is not only in our family that we see these changes. They occur in the entire society. Okay? We see these changes in the entire society. Do you know birds also migrate? Many birds migrate in search of food and shelter. Have you seen a flock of swans flying in a V formation in the sky? In this picture, you see the birds is flying in a V formation in the sky. Every year, they migrate from one place to another at a fixed time. Have you heard about the beautiful flamingos? Every year, they are migrating from one place to another, but it is a fixed time. In the fixed time, they migrate. Okay? Some birds fly far away while others do not go very far. We can see flamingos at several places in Maharashtra between October and March. Birds fly in a flock even though they stay together in a flock. They do not have families or neighbors like human beings. When a member of a family goes far away from some reason, he stays in touch with the family through letters, telephone calls and now the internet. These modern means of communication have brought the world closer together. From ancient time to the present, the nature of a family has go under many changes. When man took up agriculture for his livelihood, he settled down in one place. A lot of people are required to do the work needed in agriculture. Therefore, many relations stayed together and formed a big family. As the family grew, it became impossible to feed everyone through farming alone. Okay, it became impossible. Trade and other new occupations developed. Cities began to grow. Therefore, cities became to grow. Big families were scattered into many small families. In recent years, the number of people going to other states and countries for work and education has increased greatly. Many families have one of their members living abroad or in another city in our own country. Therefore, the family system is also changing. People migrate for jobs, occupations, or education. As we migrate, we see the diversity in our country. Okay? What we see? We see the diversity in our country. Okay, student? See the next one. We are introduced to different festivals, food, and customs, and our tradition also, student. Okay? So, at the same time, we also realize that as a human being, we are all alike. Okay?
Sugar cane.
Harvesters or construction workers and others like them keep moving to place where they can find work. Wherever and whenever they migrate, their children are given admission in the local area. It is a compulsory to give their children admission in the local school. It is a necessity to give the admission in the local school. What do you see in these pictures? What kind of things do you exchange with your neighbors? Apart from your family, we also have daily contact with our neighbors. We live in the same locality. We need each other help to solve the problem of garbage, water and electricity. If we help each other, then easily we can solve our problem. Okay, student? Due to the help we give each other, our relation with our neighbors became friendly. Okay? Friendly and harmonious relation make for joyful community life. Okay, student? So here I am ending my lesson. I hope you all are understood. Thank you, student.